Achi TV.
Hey there, young explorers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going on an exciting adventure to uncover the magic of rain. Get ready to splash into a world of wonders. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our awesome adventures. Have you ever wondered how rain starts? It all begins when tiny water droplets form in the clouds. When these droplets become heavy, they fall to the ground as raindrops. Isn't nature amazing?
Look, the rain is dancing on the window pane.
I can't wait to go outside and play in the rain.
But wait, there's more. Let's talk about the science behind rain. Rain is like a water cycle adventure. The sun's heat makes water from oceans, lakes, and rivers evaporate into the sky. This forms clouds. When these clouds get heavy, the water falls back down as rain. It's like a natural water ride. Rain has its own rhythm and dance. Each raindrop takes a unique journey from the sky to the ground. Let's listen closely to the sound of raindrops falling on different surfaces. Hey, kids! Can you hear the raindrops tap dancing on the leaves? And now, the most exciting part, splashing in puddles. Grab your raincoats and boots, because it's time to have some wet and wild fun.
This is the best day ever.
Rain brings beauty to everything around us. Just look at how raindrops decorate leaves and flowers. It's like nature's artwork. Every raindrop adds a touch of sparkle to the world. Explorers, rain is not just water falling from the sky. It's a magical journey that gives life to our planet. Next time it rains, remember the incredible science and joy behind it. If you had a blast exploring the rain with us, give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe for more amazing adventures. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious. Goodbye for now, rain adventurers.